Meaning of donkey work.
Donkey work.
Donkey work.
Donkey work.
Donkey work. Donkey work is a phrase used to refer to tedious or mundane tasks that require a lot of effort but do not require much skill or intelligence. It is derived from the idea that donkeys are often used for laborious tasks such as carrying heavy loads or plowing fields. The result of doing donkey work is usually a completed task that may be necessary but does not yield a significant reward or recognition. Despite its lack of glamour, donkey work is important for achieving larger goals and success in many fields.